Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Baseus Type C Male to 3.5mm adapter, and this is useful if you have a mobile phone that is of Type C. Now I'm going to open it and then see what you're going to get, and let's take a look. So I'm going to pull out here. Alright, so with this cable there is this package, and then just gonna pull out. There's a small tape. I'm just gonna remove the tape. All right, this is what the adapters look like. All right, so typically you want to plug this one onto a mobile phone that has a USB-C type, like here. So you plug that in. So I'm just trying to get the feel of the plug. It is a little bit hard to push it in. It doesn't click very well. It is tight. It doesn't, once you put it in, it doesn't move around a lot. As you can see here, it's staying in one place. It's just that you need to have a little bit of force to push it in, or you need to use some force to pull it out. It's not that easy. Right, once it is in, you can connect it to your headphone that uses the 3.5mm. All right, so I plug it in, and after that you can make calls, listen to music with the adapter. Okay, so with the adapter plugged in, I can press on the button to speak on this device right here. Testing, testing, testing. Just gonna turn off the echo over here. Testing, testing, testing. I'll turn off the speaker here. You can see if I say testing, 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 testing. Because of the echo, so it's making that echo noise. Now what else can you do with this adapter? So if you have a controller right here, there is a microphone on this earphone. I can also press on the volume up or volume down key. So I'm just trying to press on the volume up and volume down keys. Just having trouble, so I'm going to try it again. Now I'm not sure if this is faulty or not. Now I can press on the button to answer the call. So if I press on the volume up key on this one right here, it's kind of like going down instead of going up. You can see here. And pressing on the volume down key is still going down. What I'll do is I'm going to try another headphone to see if it's still causing the issue. Okay, so I got myself a new pair of headphones. This is some Samsung headphone, and again I can press on the volume down key, and if I press on the volume up key, it does not go up, it's still going down, as you can see right here. So it doesn't actually allow you to increase the volume, only to lower the volume. And I can press on the button to end the call. So the only thing that's not working is the volume up button. Apart from that, it works fine. Now if you don't need to adjust your volume, then I guess you can use this adapter. It can pick up call and end the call, but you won't be able to adjust the volume up button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.